sleek, elegant design and incredible versatility versus pure robustness, rugged durability and that classic action cam feel. The Insta360 X5 and the DJI Action 5 Pro may look like they belong to different worlds, but they are both here to dominate your next adventure. And the X5, it's more durable than it seems at the first glance. From low light to daytime walks, their footage tells two very different stories. So the question is, which one would you prefer? Let's find out. Does the DJI Action 5 Pro still can compete with Insta360 X5? Stick in this video and you will see a lot of interesting details. Both cameras are filming in a super night mode. Well, actually for DJI it is super night mode, and for Insta360 X5 it is in pure video mode. Insta360 X5 is filming in 8K 30fps, while DJI Action 5 Pro is filming in 4K 30fps. But when Insta360 video will be reframed, it will also become 4K video. The sun will appear approximately in 10 minutes from now. In my previous episode of comparison Insta360 X5 versus Insta360 X4, we've seen already how better pure video mode from Insta360 X5 was comparing to Insta360 X4, especially in the low light. Let's see if it can beat up the DJI Action 5 Pro, who has been considered as a beast of the action cameras, especially in the low light condition. Let's also try to use single lens mode on Insta360 X5 and versus the same mode 4K 30fps in super night on DJI Action 5 Pro. I pretty often use single lens mode because in this case you don't need any other action cameras. The video is automatically reframed in the position that you want. Unfortunately, in Insta360 X5 you don't have the pure video mode while filming in single lens mode. However, the options that you have now to point direction to yourself and towards yourself, like I'm doing it right now. I think this is the big advantage. So the sun starts appearing over there. On the video preview, it looks like the colors looks more natural on the DJI Action 5 Pro, but we will see how it will look like on the large screen while video editing. Okay, still filming both cameras in low light mode, super night mode on DJI and pure video mode on Insta360 while walking on uneven surface with the small rocks, and the sun starts appearing. So let's see how the sunrise will look like on both cameras. Both cameras handle the dark impressively well. DJI's footage looks more natural, but it's noticeably darker. In contrast, the X5 reveals more details in the sky, the road, even the trees, though it feels a bit more processed. What do you think? Do you prefer a natural look or brighter details in the night? Let me know in the comments. Let's now switch both cameras to regular video mode, no low light. The same 8K 30fps for Insta360 X5 and 4K 30fps for DJI Action 5 Pro. Same pointing towards the sun. We can see the texture on the clouds are so beautiful, it looks so natural. Switching again to single lens mode now. This time I'm working with both cameras in regular video mode. No night enhancement, just default settings. DJI Action 5 Pro still delivers a natural and cinematic look, but the image is a bit darker overall. Meanwhile, the Insta360 X5 captures more visible details. The sky, the path ahead and surrounding trees pop out more clearly. It's brighter, but maybe slightly more processed too. Which style do you prefer, more natural shadows or boosted visibility? Alright, now let's check this out, if we can use new Insta360 X5 for the vlogging just completely as your self-vlogging camera. Now it's a perfect golden hours, but still the light is not so strong. The sun is right behind me. I'm filming with DJI Action 5 Pro and Insta360 X5 using single lens mode. The main question remains, what if I want to have only one camera, but I don't have enough time for the reframing, editing the video, like I just want to film, talk and quickly upload? Is it camera suitable for a self-vlogging or not? Comparing to the previous generation of X4 camera, I must admit that X5 has just so improved their capability of the single lens camera. To my opinion, now you can really start using this camera for your self-vlogging just with a single lens without even reframing it. The big win for this camera compared to any other action cameras, that you can start switching easily between the cameras front and back. What I'm doing now. Let's just see how this beautiful sunrise can be caught on the new Insta360 X5 versus DJI Action 5 Pro. We are filming mountains, all the details look so beautiful. And now let's just compare the same view, the same scene, but using 8K 30 FPS and 360 mode that we will reframe later. With reframing, you get much wider view. For example, now I can just easily turn the preview and start filming the DJI Action 5 Pro without moving my hand, without moving my camera. I can point the camera to myself and actually continue filming without moving. So I think it's a big win. So I just took 2 shots with Insta360 X5 and DJI Action 5 Pro. Let's check which one is better, because new Insta360 X5 is filming in 36 megapixels, has a wide view, and actually now is perfect lighting to compare the shots from both cameras. We know about certain advantages of DJI Action 5 Pro, such as the battery life, that you can use DJI Action 5 Pro for almost 3 hours. Also, DJI Action 5 Pro is very durable camera compared to any other camera. Another thing why DJI Action 5 Pro is better is the price, because it's much cheaper. Also, it has a front screen and it's a size. If you actually compare the size between DJI Action 5 Pro and new Insta360 X5, it is considerably smaller. It's just like the half of Insta360 X5. But the question is, does it matter for you what's the size of the camera when you're filming, especially for self-vlogging? Or you just drop the camera in your pocket, and you're good to go? That's the main question. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, guys. Let's see how both cameras handles direct sunlight while moving. Again, filming in 4K 30 FPS on both cameras using regular video mode. Let's switch both cameras to 4K 60 FPS and just continue moving on the same route. So again, the advantage of DJI Action 5 Pro is that you can film yourself in 120 FPS, which is very good slow motion mode if you want to film like good, nice looking action. Single lens mode on Insta360 X5 is only filming in the max configuration of 60 FPS. So alright guys, now when the sun is fully up, we can see the full potential of both cameras. And also check the microphone, how much was it improved comparing to the previous camera and comparing to DJI Action 5 Pro. Now it's a little bit windy. I can see a lot of kestrels flying around, catching the air praise. It's actually the best sign that it is really windy. And I'm filming in a single lens video mode, 4K 30 FPS. Let me quickly switch to 360 mode and we will just compare and see again. So for switching 360 mode, you need to select the camera icon, click on 360, click on video, and here we go. Now Insta360 X5 is filming in 360 mode, while DJI Action 5 Pro in regular mode. Well, 360 would be perhaps will come later this year. Who knows? There are a lot of rumors, but we will see. So guys, just let me know, what do you think? Which one of these cameras looks better when the sun is fully up and the light is really strong? So it's very good lighting now. Let me know in the comments. And one more unanswered question that still remains: would this new camera Insta360 X5 replace any other action cameras in your bag, like DJI Action 5 Pro, Ace Pro 2, etc.? Can you use only this one action camera instead of all of them? It depends, because we need to take into account the price. Instead of one Insta360 X5 plus some accessories, you can purchase literally 2 DJI Action 5 Pro. So this is a question that you need to answer to yourself. Do you want to have 2 cameras, good average cameras, or instead like purchase only one camera that is fantastic and versatile? For example, if you would need to attach your camera to the car or to the bicycle, I would say it is a little bit risky to do it with Insta360 X5. However, with DJI Action 5 Pro, the camera is more durable and less expensive, and you can experiment with this camera a lot. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, because more reviews and comparison of the new Insta360 X5 with another action cameras are coming. And see you in the next episode. Cheers, bye.